Hey, the saga of the US6 continues. This is the REO US6, one of 22,204 built by the REO Motor Company, Lansing, Michigan. It's running really cool, really quiet, very nice, very nice. I have the fresh rebuilt carburetor on it, built by the Old Carb Doctor. And he rebuilds old cars. Jeff drives. There it is, clicking along. Running pretty good, as you can probably tell. You know, I don't know how many people in the world existing have heard of US6 run. I mean, not that many, probably. So. Sounds good. Sounds really good. So, I'm very happy. It's got that electric fuel pump on it. That was clogged up and I wasn't getting any fuel. Here's a little tank. Still got plenty of fuel on it. It's not really using up the gas like I thought it was going to. It did before, but the carb was just totally blukered, man. I mean, that carb was bad inside. And I was going to try to do it myself, but I couldn't find a kit. It's leaking water out of the water pump, of course. They had a bunch of leather bushings that would swell, I think, and that's what's, they're all dried out and not very good. But well, I'm going to get the wiring figured out for the lights and turn signals, etc. I'm going to button the engine up. I'm not, you know, I'm not going to keep it open. I'm going to button it up. Then I'm going to go to work on other stuff, the wiring. I need to rig up a tank, but this tank is done. It's ready to go, but it without the bed, it sticks out quite a ways. So I'm afraid I'll knock it against something if I put it on there. If I put it on there in its spot, I've thought about putting it on on the frame or something, but I've got to get all the brakes and the wheels and tires done, and it's holding up pretty good oil pressure wise, about 38, and at idle it's right at where it should be when charging. I need to put a temperature gauge on it, and eventually I'll hook up the fuel gauge. So and hoping to get the new old stock windshield put in. Yeah, the windshield's got to come out, you know, regardless of what happens. All right, we're in the cab, idling along. Oh, you know, I was gonna take a drive in it. I've got the hood open too, so you can't see very well. But I was gonna take a drive in it, and the clutch linkage broke. So there it is. There's the horn button. Yeah. I mean, I know Ross Prince has probably got them, but hey, you know, try to find one out in the wild, especially here in America. You know, they had 99 of them down in Australia, so I know there's quite a few of them left down there, but you know, for the good old USA. This is pretty rare, pretty rare. And all I can say is, Jan Henry, hang on for a little bit longer, buddy. I hope to meet you in person here someday, and you know, I got to put that air cleaner on here, but I'm going to cover the carb tonight so it doesn't get any crap down on it, probably. Yeah, you can tell there's a lot of power there. See, it really charges right up though when I got it, and then it comes back down when I idle it. Hey, let's take a look at this. Good. It's not good at all, man. There's water coming in through this. I need to cover this. There it is. 218621. And delivery date 4/24/45. REO Motors Incorporated. And I believe over here it says, no. Anyway, thank you all for watching, and I'm gonna just let it be. It's kind of nice to idle along or idle. But tomorrow, I'll get that clutch linkage worked out and got it made. All right. Thanks, everybody, and see you soon. Bye-bye now.